Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to find wallet address on Trust Wallet. Finding a wallet address in Trust Wallet is a simple and a straightforward process. Simply launch Open Trust Wallet application and make sure to log into your account. Once you are on the main screen where you see your list of assets, tap on a specific cryptocurrency or token for which you want to find the wallet address. For example, let me tap on BTC for now. Soon after you open up the specific cryptocurrency, tap on the Receive button at the top of the screen. You will then see your wallet address displayed into the QR code format and alphanumeric string. You can then tap on the Copy button and share it with anyone you would like to receive Bitcoin or any other assets from. Also, you can tap on the share icon and select any contacts or share the wallet address via email or messaging applications. So that is how you can easily find your wallet address for a specific cryptocurrency. Remember that each cryptocurrency has a different wallet address. It is always a good practice to double check the wallet address before sharing it with someone, and also never share your private keys with anyone, as this could give them access to your funds. So that's how you can easily find your wallet address on Trust Wallet. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again with the next video. Thank you for watching.